What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a Getresponse account. We're currently on getresponse.com and here we can see the option to create a free account or at the top right corner to sign up for free. Underneath this option you can see you could try it for free, you don't need a credit card and you can cancel anytime. So we're going to click on Get Free Account and here we're going to put our full name, our email address and a password. It also says you can try this feature free for 30 days. And now we have the information filled, we're going to create free account. Now you will be sent an activation email with the same email you used in creating this account. So you need to go to your Gmail or whatever account you're using. So here we're just going to click on Activate My Account. Now you will have some information to fill here, some of which are optional. So we're going to go ahead and fill it. And we're going to click on Next. So you are required to put in your mobile number so you can get a verification code. So we're going to go ahead and fill it and we'll verify. And at this point, you could take a shortcut or you could go on tour or you could simply say, I prefer to explore on my own. So we're going to click on this. So as you can see, we're currently on our Getresponse dashboard. So this is how to create a Getresponse account.